Have you ever wanted one of your WordPress posts to stay right at the top of your blog, no matter how many new ones you publish? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a sticky post in WordPress, step by step. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, click the login button in the top right corner. You can sign in using your WordPress credentials, or for a faster option, click continue with Google, select your account, and you'll instantly be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Posts. This section lists all your blog content, both published and drafts. Find the post you want to highlight, then hover your mouse over it and click Quick Edit. In the Quick Edit options, you'll see a small checkbox labeled Make this post sticky. Check that box. This is what tells WordPress to keep that post pinned at the top of your blog page. Once you've done that, scroll down and hit Update. That's it. Your post is now sticky and will stay at the top of your blog, ensuring visitors see it first whenever they land on your site. Sticky posts are perfect for announcements, featured guides, or any content you want to keep in the spotlight. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how your readers engage with your content. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring and fine-tuning your WordPress setup. There's always something new to learn and improve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.